Hi there, today we're finally getting to unbox the Surface Book 3. Now, this model here is the 15-inch i7 1TB model of the Surface Book 3, so it's one of the very top specs that you can get. In fact, currently it's the top spec you can get here in Australia. And you'll notice that again, it's a brown box because this is the Surface Book 3 for business. It's not a retail model. And it's a little bit different to what you might get in the store. This one's only available through commercial resellers. Comes in the brown box, as I said. It comes with Windows 10 Pro, and it comes with warranty options that are much better than what you get at retail. You get things like advanced exchange, so if your device breaks, they'll send you a new one before you have to send back the old one for repair or replacement. So it's a much better sort of setup, especially if you're in business and you really rely on these devices. But let's go ahead and get started unboxing it. All right. The beauty of this from an IT perspective in this, this packaging, this brown box, is that you don't have tons and tons of waste and plastic to get rid of if you're deploying a lot of these devices all at once. You've just got this really simple brown box, and in fact it was delivered just like this. There was no outer box or anything like that. That's what's in the box. It's a Surface Book in paper packaging, no plastic at all. Love it. Now, by the way, one of the reasons that it's taken so long is because we actually buy these units. We don't get given them by Microsoft or anybody else. If Microsoft, if you're watching, I think it might be time to pony up and send us some units. As usual with Surface, warranty cards and information there, and also the power cord. Brand new power cord for the Surface Book 3. One of the issues with the previous Surface Book models, the Surface Book 2, was that it was technically possible to run down the device if you're running some sort of high intensity workload or a game or something like that. You could actually run it flat while you were having it charged on power at the same time. That's going to be fixed, we believe, in this Surface Book 3. So it's a much bigger, heavier, thicker power brick because of that. Comes with our Aussie power cord as well. So here it is, the 15-inch Surface Book 3. I really love this massive screen. When you detach this and you use it as a tablet, it's the best tablet you can possibly imagine. It's so huge. And it's great to use with the Surface Pen and with touch and those sorts of things. So we're going to have a bit of a play with it. But the real primary reason that we got this device is because of the performance upgrade. So the new processors, the new graphics card options that are in the Surface Book 3. We specifically really want to try this out with video editing. One of our video editors, Olivia, she's been using a Pro 6, Surface Pro 6. And look, it does the job, but it's not really ideal, and it takes quite a long time to render videos and to do some of the more complex stuff that we're doing lately. So we're going to try this one out, and we'll bring you another video on how this performs as a video editing device. It's certainly not going to be anywhere near as good as a dedicated desktop computer for that purpose, but we're hoping that this becomes a really good mobile solution for editing in Premiere Pro, and we'll bring you some videos on that. So if you want to learn more about the Surface Book 3, remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell, and also remember to click like on the video.